Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna be opening Kitty in my pocket. And cameraman, what are you supposed to do?
Well, they got a kitten clip-on pouch.
Yeah, click, take back. Now let's open it.
Well, they got different pouch, you see? Purple, red, and blue.
It's pink.
Yeah, pink, okay.
Okay, let's open it.
Yeah.
This time, purple red. The only thing we can't rip is this plastic, right? Plastics like hurt people.
Yeah. But plastic's not environmental friendly.
It's not friendly.
So difficult, right?
It's not difficult. I'm already 6 years old.
You're just 6 years old? I thought you were 5.
I'm not 5
okay.
anymore.
Yeah, last
my
year.
birthday wasn't like birthday dinner close to my school, and then I was eating mine and my boy cousins. Did you remember that even?
Oh, if you want to say hi to your cousin Sarah, she's a YouTuber as well.
Hi, cousin Sarah.
Yeah.
Next time you want to come to Macau and play with me?
Maybe.
Okay.
And I guess her channel is called Sarah Fun Corner. Well, later we can check it out.
Okay, we can see her open toys. What does she do on her channel?
I am not really sure.
No idea. You
Yeah, I know she loves squishy.
She likes squishy?
Yeah, you can talk to her later. She loves squishy.
Oh, I have one squishy peach that's already broken. I ripped it. Next person, where does she live even?
California.
California?
Oh, this is serious too.
Then can I go there?
Yeah, sure, of course. We can go there later.
There's another card in here, and this is just a pack. We cannot clip it. We can only do like this. And clip it over here.
You can put it, no, you can hang it on your backpack.
Yeah, I can. With a play toy. Looks like an envelope.
Yeah. You can hang it on your backpack. If
I
you're,
like it's also plastic. You
yeah,
can't
it's
rip
plastic.
it.
Okay.
Now let's
How many kittens are here? 4 or 5? 5. You got 5.
there's also puppy in my pocket, but this is Kitty in my pocket.
This kitten want to run away.
Hey, get back here, meow, 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 meow.
She's so interesting with the camera. She trying to get
Meow,
something.
meow, 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 meow.
Oh, she's disturbing us.
Meow, 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 meow. Chocolate. Here, Kitty. You can have it. You can have it.
If you want to put a kitten in
I want to put this one.
a pouch,
We can put 2 if it fits 2.
you can just stuff all of them in there.
No, I can't. I can't. It's okay.
2 is enough.
Here, so
Okay, I want to steal it. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. And like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye.